Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. Personally, I'm someone who gets cold very easily and just recently moved to a very cold climate. So I'm super happy to have this wool blanket by Woolly Mammoth Woolen Company. It is so beautifully made. It's made with 80% merino wool, so this is gonna keep you warm and it's gonna last a long time. It's very durable, even fire resistant. So when you're outside camping and it's getting cold out, you can still enjoy the outdoors and stay warm. One thing that I think I'm definitely going to use it for is my emergency pack. We always have that ready to go, and this would be a perfect blanket to keep you warm in an emergency situation. But you can still get cold when you're inside too. And this blanket is just a beautiful piece to have even inside. It's such a good size. It fits this queen size mattress, and it would be beautiful as a comforter or just another layer so you're not cold at night. It's just a beautiful product, even down to the small little logo on the blanket. So whether you want to give it as a gift or keep it all to yourself, I definitely recommend this Woolly Mammoth blanket. And that's my point of view.